Welcome to this scene where we have one model created using photogrammetry and one model using an AI platform. Let's take a look at the breakdown of this scene. The Unreal Engine scene was created using the Museum Environment Kit. This was available for free within the promotion free of the month for September 2023. And let's take a look at the 3D models. So the first model, we have the bust of Nefertiti, and this is the case study model that I made use. We're gonna see the model over here, and within the description we're gonna see that this model is derived from the Egyptian Museum of Berlin 3D scan. And more regarding that story, I encourage you to read over here. As we can see, a German museum tried to hide the stunning 3D scan of an iconic Egyptian artifact. Today you can see it for the first time. This is the article. And we have the model currently loaded as within the Creative Commons, which is this one. So that means that you are free to share a copy and redistribute the material in any medium or format, and you can also adapt, so remix, transform, and build upon the material. So this is one of the objects used within the scene, and the other one was created using Common Sense Machine AI tool, which is this one. As we can see over here, we have the input image. I'm using the free version, by the way, and this is the resulting 3D model. We can go over here at share, and we can check the user image. So this is the image used for that. So this is a print screen from SketchUp. Okay, so let's take a look at the final scene and see the geometry. So we're gonna take a look at wireframe, at the environment without lighting, and also at the geometry. So this is the preview of the scene. As you can see, the environment with lighting, without lighting, within wireframe. Also keep in mind that for this, the objects don't have any LODs or nanite or lumen for the lighting. And let's take a closer look at each of those. So initially we're going to start with the photogramming model. As you can see, this is with shadows, and afterwards we're going to see the wireframe without the influence of shadows, and also the matte cap. So we see how much details we have within that photogrammetry generated model. And to the right we have the model created using Common Sense AI machine. We see the geometry, the wireframe, so it's not that dense, but we see also the final build with texture. So this is the, let's say, the power of Common Sense AI. We can easily generate some interesting looking objects. So if you find this video useful, I will position a similar video to the left and a subscribe button to the right. Thanks for watching.